Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Before we start this video, I just want to apologize for not making an outro in the last video, and it just ended in a kind of weird way, let's say. And I do apologize for that. I had some personal plans or something that I had to deal with first, and I never got to making an outro, so yeah. But that's alright, because I'm back with another video. And this video, it's kind of cool. Wow, I just lost my words. But, if you go up here into settings, and you find enter code, I found some codes that are supposedly gonna give you some rare items. Maybe not, but we're gonna test them and see. So let's get right into it. The first code is Play Wild. I might have added that in. Yep. And then there's Play Free. Oops, I did not mean to do that. Oops. Play Free. Alright. So I got it off this website. So yeah. So next one is New Year's Jam. Maybe it'll give us something good. But it seems like none of these codes are working. I am going to find a code that works, and then I'll see you then. Okay, so I put too many in, and at first they give me like a warning where you have to make sure you're not a robot. Now they say I have to add them in later, because I've added too many and failed too many. But what am I gonna do about that? So I'm just gonna continue the video, and we're just gonna do whatever we do. By the way, I promise to do a den tour, very soon. I'll actually do it right now, because I don't even know what I'm doing in this video since the codes didn't work. Okay, so we have a very long flower pile, then tons of beta animals, then some balloons, then masterpieces, candles, beta wallpaper, tons of betas in here. Beta, I don't know. Tell me in the comments which one it is. Beta or beta? I think it's beta, but I'm not sure. Feels more better saying beta. Oh, then we have this famous masterpiece. Ooh, 12 legs. Well, more than I thought. It's the meme Dawei. So, I mean, that's pretty lit. Not gonna lie. No, it's not Valentine's Day themed. But yeah, so that I do have some rare items in here too, so that's good. But I got this beta, whatever pirate chest. To be honest, I really have no clue which one it is. But I guess that's okay. I have no room in this den to put it, so I don't know. We'll put it up here. Or no, we'll put it like... Oh, no, what did I just do? It's like a plant. I just like exited something. Okay, I'll put it like right here. Yeah, right there, that's fine. Oh no. So as I was saying, I wonder if there's any, Valentine's Day things in store, so I'm gonna go check that out now, because, I mean, I don't know how many days until Valentine's Day. But let me ask my Siri. How many more days until Valentine's Day?
It's 18 days until then.
Okay, 18 days. About 2.5 weeks. They don't really have anything. Everything is like frozen or still in the winter vibes and stuff. Like, it's like frozen. I don't know. I mean, some of them are cool, not gonna lie. But then again, Oh, where did I just go? I clicked on something. I have no clue what I clicked on. Oh, okay. Let's change my animal because I don't want to be down here. PJ Silly Beach, and I need to like redo my animals because like they look really bad. I mean, I have my main winter one, then I have my main summer, then I have my winter. Troll or treat me. Thank you so much if you treat. Let's try to troll or treat. Troll or treat. Trim 2 fox hats each. Okay, fox hats aren't that rare, so I'm kind of guessing that this person doesn't have much rare, I guess. Maybe like a few betas. Oh, masterpieces. Okay. Okay, I'm not gonna say it's bad, but it's definitely not best. Okay, well, no one's gonna answer you if you're out in the middle of nowhere. Uncle, is that you? Yes. Nope. Remember me? Did you get the crisps yet? I think that's like a type of drug. Animal drug dealers report. I'm too fab for that. Say pie if you want to adopt me. Who needs a grandma? Yes, you're looking very oldish. I guess if that's what you're trying to do. Kingdom roleplay, my den. Sorry, no role-playing today. Comment down below if you want me to do like a role-playing video, because that would kind of be cool, I guess. It's kind of funny how half my videos we get nowhere with them. Okay. To be honest, I really don't know what this means. My fab shutter shades block off my view. I'm so confuzzled with that. I'm gonna try trading for this. I don't know how it's gonna work out personally. Cause I'm probably gonna do a huge undertrade. If you're just a normal jammer, it's like you have the right to just trade either equally or over. You have to equally or trade over. But once like you're a rare jammer, like a party or like people like that, you have to trade so much, or either the people who are trading you do a huge overtrade, or if like a party was trading someone, he could do the easiest undertrades. Like someone would trade him like a headdress for just like, I don't know, like a necklace, probably not that. Like a rare spike wristband, because he's only on when he makes his videos, so they want to be in his videos, and yeah, I don't know, I'm kind of like ranting, I guess, I don't know. By the way, make sure you go check out my pretty new Animal Jam Instagram, Animal Jam 101. Cause why not? I just started it, so I don't have that many followers. I have like 88 or something. I don't know. But yeah, you should. Oh, I added my wristband. What was I thinking? Okay. Yeah, but you should totally go follow that on Instagram. I really don't know. I mean, you don't have to, but you should. So, If I get this, I'm gonna like die because I'm adding so much on, and half the stuff I don't even I shouldn't, to be honest. So let's check my trade over again. It's a pretty good trade, maybe a bit over or a bit under, because I know that stuff is worth a lot. It doesn't really look like it, but it is, to be honest with you. But I do see why they wouldn't accept these. They probably worked hard for that short purple spike collar, so. But if I get it, I'm gonna be kind of happy, because, yeah, it's a spike. Is the trade even trading, or is it like a glitch? Okay. It's a glitch, I think. Anyways, there's nothing really that good on trade for other people. Sorry about the background noises, by the way. I don't know what's actually going on outside, but something like construction or something. I'm not even sure if you guys can hear it, to be honest. Did you know if you have Safe Chat Plus, you can turn predictive chat on and off through the My Settings icon? No, I did not know that, but I have free chat. The only thing about free chat is like they don't read the words. Like, you know how if you had Safe Chat, it would like make the words in red saying you can't use them, change the word or fix the grammar. For this, you think it's alright. Like, I can even type in a bad word. And, it wouldn't show up red because free chat, you know? So at this point, I don't know. I'm just like reading everything. It's kind of weird, but do you know the way? See if they're really good on trade, because then I can trade them like my masterpiece of the way. Oh, I'm gonna trade that good masterpiece. Oh, I want to see if I get this. That would be so cool if I did too. Like, I'll put a yellow spike. Actually, no, I'll do my pink spike wristband. And then I'll put my masterpiece on there. My computer's really glitchy when you get to, like, the house and the pets. Clothing, it's not, because I'm on it all the time. But, yeah, it's weird. Oh, I'd be so happy if I actually got this, though. So here. Okay, hopefully I get this. Even though it's just like an orange long, it's still like amazing. Doesn't seem good, but it is. Spits on? You spit on my masterpiece? Do you see this? Toilets in my den. Come do a big fiery poop. Okay, I want to see what this is about. So, like, I get in here. I'm like, you can read it for yourself and pause the video. But that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Sorry it wasn't that much, because we weren't really doing anything in it. Just like having a totally not normal day in Animal Jam. So, peace.